This activity is designed to lead students through an investigation of the areas and perimeters of similar figures and their relationships to each other. Students will be filling out this table as they complete the activity. The table is filled out with an example that the worksheet will walk students through. First, students will open the geometry application and create a triangle. Then students will dilate the original triangle. If you go to the toolbar menu and select the dilation tool, you want to tap the dilation center and we want a scale of 2. Tap OK and you can scroll the screen to better see your triangles. Students will then measure and paste both figures' areas and perimeters. I will do the areas as an example. If you tap on all 3 sides of the triangle and arrow over to the measurement box, you can paste the area by tapping the toolbar button. Tap in blank space and repeat the process for the smaller triangle. And we want to rename the measurements to something logical. So we tap the first one, highlight area, open our keyboard, and we want to name it N area. Tap EXE, close your keyboard, and we'll repeat the process with this other area. This one will be O area for original area. EXE, close the keyboard. Next, students will calculate the ratios between the areas and perimeters of both figures. I will continue with my example. We'll go to Draw, Expression, and the numbers pop up next to the measurements. We want to divide the areas, so we will tap the 1, the division sign, the 2, tap EXE, and you have the expression. One nice feature of the ClassPad is that if you move a part of a drawn figure, the measurements and calculations will update. Let's move vertex B prime. You can see the measurements and calculation have updated. Students will now continue on through the worksheet. They will complete the process for different figures and record the information they find along the way in the table at the beginning of the worksheet. Finally, the worksheet will lead students through an investigation and a series of questions about their findings. I hope you and your students enjoy and benefit from this activity.